Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 76. If we start with this row, we're missing 1, 6, and 7. We've got a 6 and 7 here, so this is our 1. 6 here, so 7, 6. For this box now we're missing 3, 5, and 7. We've got 7 covering these two boxes, so our 7 must be here. 5 here, so 3, 5. For this box we're missing 2, 4, and 8. We've got 2 and 8 here, so this is our 4. But I don't see any other help. So 2, 8, 2, 8. For this column, we're missing 2, 4, and 9. We've got a 4 and 9 here, so this is our 2. 4 here, so 9, 4. For this box, we're missing 4, 5, and 7. We've got a 4 here, so 5, 7. 7 here, so 4, 5, 4, 5. That means our 7 has to be here. For this column, we're missing 5, 6, and 8. We've got a 5 here, so 6, 8, but I don't see any other help, so 5, 6, 8. 5, 6, 8. For this row, we're missing 1, 5, and 6. We've got a 6 covering this box and a 5 here, so this is our 1. That 6 makes this our 5. 1, 5, 6. For this box now, we're missing 2, 4, and 9. We've got a 2 and 4 here, so this is our 9. I don't see any other help. So 2, 4, 2, 4. For this column now, we're missing a 6. For this bottom row, we're missing 3, 7, and 9. We've got a 3 here, so 7, 9, 7 here, so 3, 9, no help here, 3, 7, 9. For this box, we're also missing a 1, which can't be in any of those. For this row, we're missing 3, 5, 6, and 8. We've got a 3 here, 5 and 8 here. That makes this our 6. 5 and 6 here, and a 3 here makes this our 8. 5 and 6 makes this our 3. That means our 5 is here. That 5 and that 6 makes this our 8, 6. That 8 makes this our 2, 8. For this box now, we're missing 4, 7, and 9. We've got a 9 here and a 7 here, so this is our 4. That 9 makes this our 7, 9. For this row now, we're missing 8 and 9. We've got an 8 here, so 9, 8. For this box now, we're missing 1 and 5, and I don't see any help. So 1, 5, 1, 5. With that 9 there, we can get rid of this 9. If we look at this column, we're missing 1, 3, 5, and 9. We've got 1 and 3 here, so 5, 9. 9 here, so 1, 3, 5. For this row, we're missing 1 and 4. We've got a 4 here, so 1, 4. That 1 makes this our 5, 1. And with that 1, we can get rid of this 1. If we look at this column, we're missing 1, 3, and 7. We've got a 1 and 3 here, so this is our 7. That 7 makes this our 3, 1. That 3 makes this our 9, 7. That 9 makes this our 5, 3. That 5 makes this our 4, 5. That 4 makes this our 2, 4. And to finish out this box, we're missing 2 and 9. We've got a 2 here, so 9 and 2. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow for our next puzzle.